Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. We can see that the price started this week as a bullish pressure, where we can see 3 candles in a row with the bullish candles close. That means we have white candles where the price has closed above previous day close. Just to remind you what was said in the previous week analysis, it was mentioned that the price will try to break outside of this price range and then probably to break to the upside, reaching higher level. The first level that the price needs to break is this one, where we have 2 candles, and after that the third candle, which was a signal that the price will continue to move up. This was also mentioned in the previous analysis that the price should close the day above this level, which will indicate that the price will continue to move up to the next level, which needs to be broken, and this was here. This was the supply zone that was mentioned in the previous analysis, where the price needs to break up above to indicate further move to the upside. But let's see what has happened. On a Monday we have a bullish candle where the price has returned back down, reaching 0.99134 support level, touching in a pip, and then returning back up, trying to break to the upside. We can see that the bulls have managed to close the day above previous candles close, and this was a small breakout from this small indecision range. After that, on a Tuesday, we see the price continue to move up, trying to reach higher level, and the price has managed to reach higher level, where we can see that the wick has reached upper side of this area, where it has tried to reach higher level, which was also a small supply zone that is preventing the price from moving upside. Then we have another candle, the third candle on Wednesday, where the price has managed to close again above previous day's candle and try to reach higher level, which means higher than this wick, but the price could not reach it more than this. The price has closed on this level, and on the next day, on the Thursday, we can see a strong bearish candle pushing the price down, reaching the lower level where these 2 candles has closed the day. We can see that the price could not close the day below these 2 candles, which represents that the bears could not push the price more than this, more down, which would indicate a bullish pressure exhaustion. Now we can see that the price has also reached this support level, which indicates that the bears was enough strong to reach again this level for the fourth time. We can see this is the first, second, third, and this is the fourth. Then on a Friday we can see that these sellers that has pushed the price down has closed their trades, and the price returned back up. But during the day the price has declined again down. This also represents that the sellers has gone out, then the buyers are also pushing the price a little bit up, because this is also a demand zone that is preventing the price from reaching lower level. But then during the day the price returned back down, which represents again the seller pressure, and the price has stayed again inside this indecision range where the price started the week. So what we can make a conclusion for the next week. Let's move a little this forward. Because of this selling pressure, and also the bulls could not reach higher level, which means this supply zone where are the sellers preventing the price to reach higher level, and where the sellers are stepped in selling this currency pair. And then on a Friday we can see that the bulls could not get back up to continue moving the price to the upper level, which the week has started. We can make conclusion that this is the way how the sellers are working right now and how they will work for the next week. The previous week analysis was mentioned that the price will try to break to the upside from this indecision range, and that has happened, but the price would not reach this supply zone, which indicates the bulls are not strong enough to reach this level. So I'm not expecting the price that the price will reach for the next week this level. because this candle formation and this market overview, how the price has reacted on a Thursday and on a Friday, the selling pressure for this currency pair will be much harder also than next week, and there is a high probability that the price will break to the downside. So for the next week, because this is also again indecision range where the price has stopped in the previous week, I am expecting and waiting for the price to break to one of the sides. But now I'm much more inclined that the price will break to the downside, reaching lower level, then break out to the upside, reaching 1.01368. If the price breaks to the downside, we need to see a candle closing below this level, which is the lowest level the price has reached in this move to the downside. If the price close the daily candle below this price, I need to see a second candle also closing below this level, which will be a confirmation that the price has break this indecision and also this demand zone, and the next level will be 0.96716. If the price closes the first day candle here and there is a second candle again inside this area, but the price returns back up again here inside this indecision area, it will be a signal of the false breakout and the price will stay again here, or it will return back up reaching higher level. So it is smart to wait again, because this indecision range and also this market overview suggests that there is still fight between bulls and bears, but I am much more inclined that the bears will continue pushing the price down much stronger than the bulls will hold the price or push to the upside. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.